Hi everyone, I am Rakesh Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is desalination. In this, we will be learning about introduction, details, uses and types of desalination. Now, let us start our topic. Desalination. Desalination is a process that converts seawater into potable water by extracting mineral components present in the seawater and thus making that water suitable for drinking and irrigation purpose. The concept of desalination was first proposed by Aristotle during his work on metallurgy. He observed that when salt water is boiled to form vapor, that vapor contains no salt and the vapor is so sweet. So he stated that when salt water is boiled to form vapor and then condensed produces sweet water without any mineral components in it. Based on that concept, many sailors have used this process of desalination to treat this seawater for their drinking purposes. Based on the proposal of Aristotle, many methods have been developed to treat seawater and to make them potable. Two of them are distillation, ion exchange, membrane process, freezing desalination, geothermal desalination, solar desalination, methane hydrate crystallization, high grade water recycling, and wave power desalination. But among all these methods, distillation and reverse osmosis are the most commonly used. Now, we will be discussing about those two methods in detail. The first and most important method of desalination is distillation. Distillation is a process that was proposed by Aristotle. This process includes conversion of a liquid into vapor by raising the temperature of the liquid and then again condensing that vapor to form into liquid. Based on this principle, the desalination plant works. We have two methods to raise or decrease the temperature of water to make water form as vapor and again to condense. Those are vacuum distillation and multi-stage flash distillation. Vacuum distillation is a process in which atmospheric pressure is reduced or raised to increase or lower the temperature to boil or condense the water. And the second process is multi-stage flash distillation. This is how a multi-stage flash distillation unit look like. This consists a series of flash evaporators in which the energy produced from each unit during condensation will be used by the second unit for evaporation, and thus the energy produced by condensation of the second unit will be used to evaporate the water provided in the third unit. And this process of evaporation and condensation is continuous and produces water which is free from mineral components, so that water produced can be used for drinking and irrigation purpose. If required, any essential minerals are to be added. The next process, which is most widely used in desalination plants, is reverse osmosis, which uses a semi-permeable membrane to remove salts present in the water and thus produces fresh water with less energy than that of distillation process. This graph indicates the process of reverse osmosis in detail. In the first step, the water is collected from the sea or ocean, and then the water is pre-treated, that is, any sediments and bacteria are removed in the pre-treatment. Then that water is desalinated by using the process of reverse osmosis, that is, salts are removed from the seawater by using a membrane, semi-permeable membrane, so that the water produced will be fresh water, and that water will be post-treated, that is, required amount of chlorine and iodine are added in this post-treatment plant, then the water is supplied to the public. In this process of reverse osmosis, huge amount of waste products it produced, that is called as brine. The brine thus that produced is collected from the desalination plant and is disposed of. Most of you might be thinking that what is the need of these desalination plants? as we already have many treatment methods to treat water flowing on this earth surface. But if we consider water availability of the earth, we have 97% of water is seawater and just 3% is fresh water, and in that 3%, 2% is in the frozen state and just 1% is available in the forms of rivers and groundwater. Whatever we treat, whatever the methods we have to treat water are just to treat these water available in the forms of rivers. But if we consider desalination plants, we can use this method to treat the required amount of water which is available from the entire 97% of seawater, so that the water that is treated from this 97% of seawater can be used for every human purpose. This graph gives the complete idea of desalination plants over the world. If you observe here, Saudi Arabia, which has the maximum number of desalination plants, it produces enough water to supply to every individual in their country with desalination plant. And next comes United States, UAE, Japan, and moreover most of the European countries use desalination plants to treat seawater and to supply them to the public. And coming to our country, we only have desalination plants in Chennai. As our country has many rivers, we may not require desalination plants now, but in future we definitely need these desalination plants to treat and supply pure water to every human being. With the installation of these desalination plants over the coastal areas, we can treat the water required for every human being in our country, and this water can be supplied to every individual. I strongly believe that desalination will be the source of water to the next generations. If you like the content, please do like and share this video, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.